Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Kia Forte steering wheel. This common security feature engages when the key is removed and the wheel is turned. It prevents theft and accidental rolling. Knowing the proper steps will help you quickly resolve this without causing any damage to your vehicle's ignition or steering components. Let's get started with the first crucial step. The first step is to fully insert your key into the ignition. Once the key is in, gently try to turn the steering wheel from side to side. You'll notice it only moves a small amount in one direction. This gentle wiggling helps to relieve tension on the locking pin, preparing it for release. Remember, avoid using excessive force during this process. Now, while continuing to gently wiggle the steering wheel back and forth, apply slight turning pressure to your key. You'll want to turn the key towards the start or accessory position. This simultaneous action of wiggling the wheel and turning the key helps disengage the internal locking mechanism. You should feel the lock release and hear a soft click. To prevent your steering wheel from locking in the future, try to park with your front wheels pointed straight ahead. Also, avoid turning the steering wheel after you have removed the key from the ignition. If you find that your steering wheel frequently locks or you have difficulty unlocking it, it might indicate a deeper issue. In such cases, it is best to consult a certified mechanic for a thorough inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.